Welcome back, racers. Today's video is all about control, precision, and pure driving excitement. Say hello to the PXN V9 Racing Wheel, a full-featured sim racing bundle that brings the thrill of the road right to your screen. Let's take a closer look at what makes this wheel stand out. The PXN V9 offers wide compatibility, making it perfect for any setup. It works with PC, Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, PS4, PS3, and Nintendo Switch. With 6 platforms supported, switching between systems is easy. Plus, there's a free app called PXN Wheel for fast configuration. It comes with a 3-pedal set that responds to real-time pressure. Whether accelerating or braking, each movement feels accurate. The anti-slip texture adds better grip and more control, even during intense races. The wheel design is another highlight. It's 11 inches in diameter and fits comfortably in the hands. Dual motor force feedback adds vibration that changes with the scene. Every bump, drift, or sharp turn feels realistic. A quick press lets players toggle between 270 degrees and 900 degrees rotation. The 270-degree mode works well for arcade-style games. For simulation driving, 900 degrees delivers a more authentic steering experience. The manual shifter adds even more realism. To wrap it up, the PXN V9 offers immersive gameplay for both casual racers and simulation enthusiasts. Ready to level up your racing setup? Hit the link below, drop a like, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Until next time, drive smart and game harder.